The last national race for the old and year birds. We had 1,956 birds in competition, and the winning bird is a hen. Its ring number is B1911400182. Owner is Poussart Olivier de Chimay. This hen won last year also the 13th National Ace KBDB on the great middle distance. It's a very nice hen in the hand. She did all the national races except of Isodin, so one race she did not do. She was still raced on the widowhood system, so the whole year they was on widowhood, and she was very motivated to win this national race. It is already the third national race this year that Fancier Poussart wins, and the sixth in total. So we are talking here about one of the top fanciers of Belgium on the great middle distance races, on the national races, 400-500 kilometers. Congrats from the Herbots team to Mr. Poussart, Olivier and Justin. Congrats.